and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're doing something a little bit different. So I'm not just using my wardrobe as a bit of background. Today we're going to be sorting that out because that is a hot mess. So as we all know around here, I can't help but buy loads of clothes. So we need to make some room in here because I literally cannot fit anything else in there, which is really annoying. Piles of clothes over there to put away but just nowhere to put them, so we're going to be sorting that out. And then I've also got two chest of drawers with clothes in, but I think we're just going to sort one because one of them's just got pyjamas and things like that in. But for today's video we're going to be decluttering, clearing out my wardrobe. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you do enjoy these kind of videos because I know I like watching declutter videos. I find them really satisfying for some reason. Surely it's not just me. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that will be on screen now. But yeah, other than that, let's just dive into this hot mess. I don't think I'm ready to tackle this. This is what we're looking like. So we do have this full wardrobe to sort out, but then I'll quickly spin you around. So we're also going to be tackling this chest of drawers, and then I do have another two over there, but we're not going to go through them because it's just underwear, work clothes, pyjamas, and then just rubbish, so we're not going to do that one today, but we're going to do this one. So my wardrobe isn't always here, by the way. It usually is over in that corner of my room, but for the purpose of this video, so I didn't have to squeeze into that little corner over there, I've just moved it. So it is kind of in an order. So that's like oak stuff there, hoodies, jumpers, t-shirts, trousers, and then going out stuff here. So I think first of all, I'm going to start, and then as you can see up here I've just got all sorts. I'm going to be really strict on myself as well. If I don't wear it, it's going. Okay, I'm going to start from this end over here. Right, so first is this jumpsuit that I picked up from Primark. I haven't had the chance to wear that yet because we're in lockdown, so that is staying. We've got a little white play suit from Zara. This is staying, but obviously too cold to wear this at the minute. I think I'm going to take that out and stick it in like a summer drawer so we can keep the hanger, and then that can go. We'll find some room in the drawers over there for that to go. This dress is from Opali and I literally adore it, so that is not going anywhere. I've worn this twice and I would definitely wear it again. A Primark dress, again, probably will wear this again. Do I keep it in the wardrobe or do I fold it away? I'm going to fold it away. We don't need any summer clothes in here right now. First of all, we can't go outside, and second of all, it's freezing. So next we've got a little shirt. I've got a crop shirt. I picked this up in Dubai, so that is staying, but again, too cold to wear that. This is like a little square neck, puffy sleeve top. That is definitely staying. That's again one of my favourite tops. I don't think I've actually had the chance to wear this out yet. It's just like a little puff sleeve, misguided top. Ooh. Great. So these are like my going out clothes. Not out, but like my nicer clothes, so that's staying. We're not off to a very good start here, are we? These I picked up from Primark ages ago, and they've still got the tags in. They're just like cream leather trousers. I do love these. Again, haven't had the chance to wear them yet, but they're gonna stay. I don't know why I've even got this still. So this is from the Jordan X Misguided, or Jordan Lipscomb collection, and it's just broken, so I feel like that just needs to go. I'm never gonna wear it again because it snaps. I'm just probably not gonna ever stitch it back up, so that's gonna go. So there's one thing. That's progress. Neon yellow bodysuit. This is my favourite colour to wear, but again, nowhere to wear it yet, but I do love it, so I'm going to keep that. Oh my god, I've been looking for them jeans everywhere. And then underneath these, I was looking for you so long. Okay, so we've got some blue jeans. I've been looking for them for ages, so they're definitely staying. I've got these Bape camo cargo trousers. Do they stay or do they go? I might depop them because obviously they are Bape, but they're not just cheap cargo trousers, they are Bape. That's gonna be, what do I do? I feel like they're not very me. Okay, I think they're gonna go in the Depop pile. If you're not following me on Depop, I think it's at channonmooney, but rather than Depop all of this stuff, mostly I'm just gonna give to charity. So we've got some knitted Zara tracksuit bottoms, love those, they're staying. My new misguided leather trousers, they're staying. Okay, so we've got some more jeans here. We've got some black jeans and some grey jeans. I literally don't wear the grey ones, so they can go. But the black skinny jeans are gonna stay, because you never know when you need a pair of black skinny jeans. Whoa, so these trousers I bought for Dubai, they're absolutely huge. There's some pink wide leg trousers from Primark. They are really cute, but they're just too long for me, so they're gonna go. And then we've got a couple of pairs of joggers. So we've got pink joggers and then the misguided ski joggers there, so both staying. Sorry about it. So I'm just gonna carry on flicking through, and if I find something that I'm going to get rid of, I'll let you know. I feel like I've literally worn the life out of this jumper, so this can go. This is from H&M. It is so thick and so cozy, but it's just not me anymore. So I did adore this tracksuit. I think it's Sophia Richie and Misguided, but the colour, so I've got the joggers and jumper here, but the colour now that I've got silver hair, I feel like it just doesn't work. So I'm going to depop that, I think. I've got a couple of work blazers in here that I'm literally never going to wear. Well, I don't think you're allowed to just throw them away, so I don't really know what to do with them. Maybe I'll take them into work and see if somebody wants them. They've literally never been worn. There we go. I feel like there's so much more room in here now. You can actually separate the hangers. So we're doing good so far. So I do have loads of clothes to put back in there, but before I do that, I think I'm just going to sort out this top bit. Okay, so moving on to this top bit, there's literally all sorts in here. So the main thing that I keep in here is all my jeans, like my mom jeans and things like that. But I feel like I already know that I want to keep all of these. So we're going to keep those, keep those, keep those, keep those. Okay, these ones I'm actually not a massive fan of, so I think we're going to get rid of these ones. I got these in Dubai. But again, because I've got silver hair, I just don't think the cream goes, so they're going to go too. And then we've just got some plain blue ones, which are also going to stay. Okay, so what else have we got in here? Right, so before I put the jeans back in, I'm just going to sort out all of this because we've got some random bits in here. A beach towel, that can go in the towel cupboard. It doesn't need to be in my wardrobe. I've got some bedding. I'm going to change my bed sheets tonight actually, so that can go on there, ready to be changed. A little hand scarf set that I got for Christmas. I broke the hanger on this. It was hanging up, which is what's up there. A little family photo of me, my sister and my dad. These I'm going to give to charity, I think, because they're just not me again anymore. So that can go. I've got 2 of those. Like can go. I've just got like loads of random letters and things, and receipts that I definitely don't need. And my Superdrug card, buzzing. We've got a lot of sanitary towels in here. My old purse. I wonder if there's any money left in there. I've got some pennies. My sister's ID. Oh my god, I used to use this when I used to go out clubbing. Don't promote underage clubbing, by the way, don't do it. I used to go clubbing with this when I was 17. Not promoting underage drinking, underage clubbing. Don't do it. Stay at home, listen to your mom. So I used to get in with this, and it used to say I think I was about 24 when I was 17. And I never used to question it. A charger for my electric toothbrush. That definitely doesn't need to be in here. I've just got endless amounts of toothbrushes and razors, apparently. So I've got this like, little jewellery box in here. So I think I'm actually, I don't know if it's actually a jewellery box, this little box. But I'm going to keep all my jewellery in there. So I've got some bits on top of here that I can just whack it in there. Who wants to see a really old picture of me in oak? Look how young we look, that is so cute. More razors, don't know why I need those. Well, I've got so many, they need to be in the bathroom. So I'm just going to fold all my jeans back up. I don't really wear jeans that often, which is why they're up here, because I don't tend to reach for them that much. I'm usually in joggers. I'm just going to fold those back up and put them in there. I do love a good mom jean, but when I don't have to wear jeans, I'm not going to wear jeans, if you feel me. So I'm going to sort out all the last little bits on top. Most of it is just rubbish and an extension. Lovely. And then it is really dusty on top, so I'm just going to use a wipe. I'm just going to give it a little clean, get all the dust off. So I do have this pile of clothes that needs to go away. Half of this is new. It's from my Misguided haul. If you haven't watched it, will be linked up here and down below. Make sure you go check it out. So I'm just going to quickly hang all these up with all the new space that we've got. So that is the wardrobe all sorted. All my new stuff's in there. It looks a lot cleaner up here too. And we've even got a few spare hangers. Down there is just some bits for Otto, which is why I didn't do that. But we're all done for the wardrobe. How satisfying is it to see a nice tidy wardrobe? So now it's time to tackle the drawers. Otto is asleep in his little house. But I'll just keep him on top of these drawers. And in here we have some more clothes. So the top drawer is just full of oak stuff basically. I've made it like one of them overnight drawers where it's got like somebody's favourite food, a toothbrush, some clothes, things like that. So that's oak drawer, so we're not going to touch that one. I don't think I'm ready to do this. These are literally just stuffed with stuff that I don't wear. So now we're going to be brutal again and just get rid of all that we can. So do I wear this? No. Do I wear this? No. Do I wear this? Cute, but no. White turtleneck. Gonna keep that because who doesn't need a white turtleneck? So I'm just gonna go through these drawers, just decide what I do and don't want to keep. And I'm just gonna be brutal with it again. No holding back this time. And I'll show you the pile of not keep at the end. Just gonna keep going through. Absolutely not. I'm being really brutal with this drawer and I really like it. It's so satisfying to just chuck everything out that I don't wear. You know, it's things that you just hold on to for so long, even though you literally never wear them. That was over a lot faster than I thought. So the only things we've got to keep are these. I've been very brutal. The pile next to me of the get rid is huge. So I'm just going to fold up all the stuff that's going to go back in there. So this is just kind of like t-shirts, things like that. These are all kind of just like crop tops and little tops. So I don't really wear them often, which is why they're not in the wardrobe, but I do want to keep them. Then we've got a few turtlenecks as well. Everything that I've put in is black. Wow. Oh, we've got a white turtleneck. Literally everything else is black or grey. Wow, so that drawer's a lot emptier. And then the next one is all, I think it's pretty much shorts, skirts, and not trousers, jeans that I don't wear. So we're going to sort through these now. So these I wore for my 21st birthday night out. Love those. Definitely going to wear those again. I've got the matching blazer in my wardrobe, so that little coat is so cute. So definitely keeping those. Never know when you're going to need a plain black leather skirt, so that can stay. These little shorts I picked up in the Misguided shop in Dubai last year, so they can stay for the summer. A little yellow denim skirt, that can go. These little shorts from H&M are a staple for summer because they're definitely staying. Now we've just got a load of play suits to go through. Am I going to wear them again? Probably not. But they are cute. Like, I really do like the print on this one. It's like a forest green and pink flower kind of situation, but I'm just not going to wear it. Any of these, to be honest. Maybe I'll keep these two just as like beach cover-ups. They're just like off the shoulder play suits, so they can stay as beach cover-ups. These little red denim shorts, my nan bought them for me when I was literally about 12, so they can go. Funny story about these, I wore, it's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. I'll insert a picture here of what I was wearing in Dubai, and then somehow they just completely split, the shorts did. So I had to go into H&M and pick up these. That's the story behind those shorts. Little dress I do love, but I don't really go out in like dresses anymore, so that can go. I feel like these jeans need to move out of this drawer because I do not wear these enough. These are gorgeous, and these are from Amazon, if anyone's wondering. They're like paint splatters up the legs, so they can defo stay, but they're going in the wardrobe. Love these as well, these satin joggers from PRT. They're staying again, gonna join in the wardrobe. Then we've got a t-shirt dress. These are definitely not me anymore, so they can go. I literally lived in these in 2018. They were my go-to. Orange cargo trousers, never gonna wear those again. And I used to literally love this playsuit from, I think it's in the Style, yeah, and I got it years ago, and when I used to go out clubbing when I just turned 18, I wore this and I felt like the bee's knees, but I don't like it anymore. And then another playsuit that can go. So I'm going to class this one as kind of like the summer and shorts drawer. So the playsuit and the dress from my wardrobe earlier can also go in here. There's no point keeping summer clothes in the wardrobe, taking up space, and I'm just not going to wear them until I go on holiday, which probably is not going to be this year, due to you know what. Again, there is so much more room in here. It shuts without even trying. Love that. Now these next drawers, I'm not going to touch because they've just got hairdryer, fake tan, makeup palettes and things like that in. So I'm just going to leave that for now because we don't need to be sorting that out. This is just a clothing video, okay? But look how easy these drawers open now. That one's pretty much empty. And that one's so easy to open. I've made so much progress. I'm so proud. So I think that's it. I'll give you one like last overview. Like I said, this one's like Oak's drawer, so that's gonna stay closed. And then we've got this one. almost empty. This one, so easy to open close. So that's the drawers done. Then I'll spin you around to the wardrobe. Look how neat and tidy that is now. How satisfying. And then this is the big massive pile of get rid. Woo! Progress. So over here is just like pyjamas and things and not underwear in there, so I'm not going to bother doing those today. But the wardrobe and the drawers over there are done. So now I just need to whack all of this in a charity shop, on Depop, things like that. Make sure you follow my Depop. If you are interested in any of it, it'll be on there. And that is the end of this video. I hope you did enjoy it. I don't know why, but watching these kind of videos kind of puts my mind at peace. You can't beat a fresh, sorted out wardrobe. But this is just like another thing you can do in lockdown, sort out your wardrobes. I feel like having a nice like clean and refresh kind of refresh your whole mindset, like it does for me anyway. But yeah, so glad I finally got that sorted. I need to find somewhere, a charity shop, probably. I don't think they're going to be open right now, but I'll just shove it in like a suitcase or something until they're open. And then, but some of the things that I think like you guys will like, so the cargo trousers, the orange cargo trousers, things with the tags on I will put on Depop, but everything else is going to go straight to the charity shop. If you did enjoy this video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you did enjoy this video, and then comment any other video ideas you've got for me. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video.